The Rain. Repentance, renewal, restoration, refreshing. 15 days of non-stop prophetic revival.
The kind of favor that overwhelms a man will come upon your life. Today, she's walking in a new dimension, new grace.
Carry uncommon destiny and uncommon grace. Lord, I pray for restoration of everything this woman have lost. In spite of all the battles you've been through, it's calling on your life as a couple.
Shout hallelujah 7 times for them.
At The Rain. January 20th to February 3rd at the Land of Wonders, weekdays at 6:30 p.m. and Saturdays at 5:30 p.m. and on Sundays at KICC Prayer City at 6 p.m. For details, visit kicc.org.uk. Come and experience The Rain.